everybody. So welcome back to my channel. So I am doing my first attempt with box braids. So I'm going to do jumbo box braids on my hair. Never really known how to braid. I don't have experience or anything like with like actually doing braids, but I think I found a method that I really want to try. It is the crochet method, and that seems like if you are a person that can plait, it seems like it's something that you could actually do, and it's not going to be like crazy, like, you know, you got a braid that's coming out of your head or anything like that. You know, you just pretty much just crochet and plait on down, whatever, you braid your hair and plait on down. So I got this, I saw this technique on I think it's How to Black Hair. I'll post a link in the description box below. So today what I will be using, I haven't really decided yet like what I'm gonna do, but I was like gonna do like tri rubber bands possibly, or I may just plait my own hair. I have jam for my hair. I have some grease, just some dollar store grease, and then I have my big tooth comb, and I have this for parting because I can't find my rat tail comb, and I also have the crochet needle. I don't have it with me to show right now, but we're gonna go ahead and give this a go. And I also had inspiration from this from her name is nickinatural. She did a video with jumbo box braids, and it really came out really cute, and she did the rubber band method, so she actually braided the hair on, but what I'm going to do is actually crochet it on. So all right guys, I'll be back and we'll go ahead and get into this. I forgot to add, I already washed and conditioned my hair. I put in leave-in conditioner, and I also put in Jamaican castor oil to seal in the moisture from the leave-in conditioner and blew it out with my blow dryer. So we're all good to go. And then I'll show you guys also the hair that I'm using. It's different from the one that I had before, because when I went to the store I didn't see it anymore, but they had like a different brand, but it was kind of like, I guess it was that itch-free type hair, and that's the type of hair I'm looking for, because I don't really want to deal with anything that has the chemical in it, because it's going to make me itch. So we don't want those issues. So yep, I just wanted to hop back on really quick with that. So we're about to go ahead and get started. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So much hair. Let's see how this works, y'all. Is this big enough? I don't know. That might be a little bit too small. We might go a little bit bigger. A little bit more bigger. Ooh. So really quick, I'm gonna show you guys the hair that I am using. It's called Afri. So we got 3 packs. It's already been pre-stretched. It's itch free. So, and it's 52 inches. And it has like some other things on the back, like that it has in it, the other benefits and stuff. You guys can read it real quick. But I got this from Beauty Master. They're $4.99 a pack. And I got T1B30. So it's kind of like reddish on the ends. So that's the hair that we will be using. And here is my hook, my latch hook. Like I went on a journey trying to find this today. Like apparently where I live, they don't have too many beauty supply stores and stuff on this side of town. Like I went to Sally's at first. They didn't have it. They had like a light highlighting hook, and then it was like a beauty store I went to somewhere, I think it was like somewhere in Woodstock. They were closed. Then like I had to go to Kennesaw, and that's sort of like I found this. I didn't grab this yesterday because I didn't think I was going to be doing this myself, but you know, when I saw that method, I was like, definitely have to get that because I really want to try the crochet method of this instead of trying to do the actual, like actually try to braid onto your hair. Just crochet it through and put the hair through. So all right guys, I'll be back when I twist up, well, plait the rest of my hair and everything. So we'll go from there. Okay guys, so I am finished plaiting and parting my hair. So it took a while to get all of that done. So now comes the fun part of actually threading the hair through and then plaiting it down. So I'm excited to do that and see how this comes out. I think it's gonna be really good, so I'm excited to see. So we'll come back. I'll show you guys maybe like 1 or 2, and then that'll be it. I'll be back. Hey guys, it is a complete new day. So as you can see, I have almost completed my hair. I just wanted to jump back on and show you guys, because like I had like a bit of trouble with doing it initially and stuff. So like I realized like my plaits may have been, my plaits with my real hair may have been a little bit too thick. So for me, I think the rubber band method will be something that I need to try for me in the future and stuff. So like I don't have to actually like plait anything down and just mix my hair in with this, because some of the braids look kind of bumpy. But you know, this is my first attempt at doing this and stuff, so I'm like, you know, it'll do for what is needed, and I'll continue to practice on it. But I'm just excited to actually being able to actually do this, because like this isn't something I would have thought I would have been able be able to do and stuff. So but I'm gonna show you guys with like I have like 2 more plaits to do, and then that'll be that. And like some of my braids in the back, like I said, like it's lumpy, whatever, but you know, this is something I did on my own. This is like pretty much if you can't get to a shop, or if you're not comfortable with going out to a shop, like this is something you can do. If I can do it, most definitely please believe you can do it. Like, you know, your party may not be on 100% whatever, but baby, you can do it. You can do it. Just get you some hair that you like and go about your business. So how I insert the loop, like I want the knot to be on top, so I'm inserting the hook at the bottom, and grabbing the hair up top. I close the hook. Where is it? The latch. I think I already closed it. Put a little bit more hair in there. All right, and pull it through. All right, there we go. And insert everything into the loop. Tighten it up. Got my knot. And then we begin to plait. Like I said, like my plaits may have been a little bit thick, so I actually could have left my hair loose and just probably in rubber bands and then threaded it through, so I didn't have to go through the whole process of plaiting my hair since it's so thick. Well, pretty much the way that I have it, like I want jumbo, so I well, jumbo spacing, but pretty much just I could have with the amount of hair that I used, like I probably could have just left my hair loose. And I think I like the hair so far, but we'll come back and talk about that later. I could have went home and let my mom do this for me and stuff, but like home is like almost about 4 hours away and stuff. I mean, I don't mind jumping on the road and going home and stuff like that, but I was like, no, I'm just gonna stay here this weekend. And we gonna try this on our own. It's nice to try new projects and stuff. But today I had to go to the orthodontist and stuff, and then I went by our mall, and I got my eyebrows threaded and stuff. So all right, so I'm just getting the braiding the rest of it in. So that's pretty much it, y'all. It's like really easy. Really easy. Like just thread that hair in there, make a knot, plait it down. I think I'm gonna try, like I said, the rubber band method next time, but this will do. So like the next time I come back, you guys will just see the finished look of everything and stuff. And that'll be it. I'll be back. All right, guys, so I am done. I am going to set the hair in hot water, and that will be that. Let me be careful. Just doing everything on your own. Got to figure it all out. Okay. All right, so that is that. I am satisfied with it. So, we're gonna do it like that. Keep this in for a little bit, see how long it lasts, and that is that. I'm gonna show you guys the back. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go look at the other videos. I'm going to link them in the description box, so you guys can like see and try it for yourself. Like, it is really not hard doing that process. I mean, eventually one day I would like to know how to do the other methods and stuff, but until then, this works. So, all right, thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye.